So one of the interesting things I think that I'm seeing, at least as you've launched Genie, is you've got a lot of competitors out there throwing rocks, because competitors largely throw rocks when they don't have a product to talk about.
Right. That's all
So there's a lot, but there is a lot of disbelief, right? This sounds pretty incredible. What do you, when you look at this new world that you're creating, how much of it is evolving, right? You're at sort of first base, getting to second base, you're halfway down, running towards first base. Where is this product on its journey? So if I go, right, I've got an application right now, I want to get this deployed and build a digital twin. Can we do this right now?
Yeah. So we're talking, who knows when this comes out and when people watch it, we're talking in right now in March 2025, right? And so when you watch this, time may have gone on, but we're, sort of at an MVP stage and working with our existing customer base. And that customer base has already used our product for a long time. They have already generated digital twins. They've just been waiting for Genie. And so by using their test cases over the last many, many months, we've been expanding the kind of the aperture of acceptance, if you will, right? Now that acceptance includes, how do people state things in the English language? So we have to have that aperture open, right? And also, how do they format their test cases? And also, are there, what's unique in their applications that maybe we haven't seen before? And there's always unique things, hidden elements and, highly nested iframes and things like this, right? That you just have to deal with. And so that keeps getting wider and wider and wider, literally by the week, right? And I think as we approach 2026, it'll be so wide that probably 90% of anything, at least web apps at first, web applications, of anything anyone throws at it, it'll be able to understand and execute well. Right. And this is a journey.
Yeah. So
with the recorder, it was the same thing, right? You had to start narrow and you keep getting wider and wider and wider.
And I think that's the rub, right? It's an evolutionary journey. You guys have been pretty clear about where you're at right now.